So in today's video, we're going to look at how to get system information about the computer that is currently being used from VBA. This can be really useful, especially when you're trying to diagnose an issue or you're trying to figure out what kind of machine the user has. A lot of times users don't know where to find that information, and obviously they can go to sysinfo, they could extract that for you, but there may just be specific pieces of information you need. This is really good when you see that, your database, because this can be Access or Excel, is crashing, or your Excel is crashing or having issues. You can just use this to say, extract this data and either display it to the user to send to you as the programmer, or put it into a text file so that you can have essentially an error file with this information in it. So let's just step through. So this first one, we're going to look at the environment value. So there is the environment value that is set by VBA. You can extrapolate this out. So you can see if I hover over this, this is all user profile and it's C2./program data. And this is environment number 1. And this goes from 1 to 25. So if I just let this run through all the way, this will give me 255 records of different pieces of information and data about the system, so that I can look at this and then I can use this as part of my diagnosis. It has stuff such as, just default systems, a computer name. It has the number of processors that the system has. It has your OneDrive information. So it has all the information you would need in order to support your research. The second way, just go down here. The second way is to literally just via the name. So if I rerun this, so this has all been put in here. Let's get rid of this just for a second. And then let's go back to the code. You can actually call this via the name of the actual data as well. So this is going into, this is going at the bottom. So here you can get username, user profile, app data, client name. You can get all this information directly from the machine using the actual string name of the environment value as well. It's the same concept as above, it's just this is done by numbers. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.